Y'all, happy Sunday. I woke up this morning and the TikTok ban was in effect. But as of maybe like an hour and a half, 2 hours ago, it's back up and running. Yeah, so, but I don't heard that it's going to be in effect for, like, unbanned for 90 days or something like that. Heard that Trump doesn't want it banned so more people can see the inauguration tomorrow. Whatever. So we're still expecting snow on Tuesday. Still hearing about this thing that's also happening on Tuesday. I know I'm being oblivious about it. Very vague. Not oblivious, but vague. It's the word I'm looking for. Because I don't know. I heard it from like 2 different sources. So I don't know if it's actually going to happen, or if it does, how much more of it is going to happen. But I am making lunch. I got some mixed vegetables, black, white, and purple rice in there. I will show you the rice. I got the indoor grill back out. So got that at Food Lion. 3/4 cup of that. That's elderberries. 3/4 cup of that, and half a cup of this. So since we don't have like that much of it left, the black rice and this rice were both on Amazon, which I forgot to link the stuff, the Amazon stuff, for in my previous video. But I found a marinade for chicken. It's I do need to flip it again, but it's balsamic vinegar. Since I had 3 pieces of chicken, I used 3/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, or half a cup, or 3/4 cup oil, olive oil, honey mustard, some honey. The original recipe was Dijon mustard. And then basil and salt and pepper and Italian seasoning. So, and I just marinated it since yesterday, so it's been marinating for over 24 hours. It is 3:41 right now p.m. So since like 1 o'clock yesterday or something like that, between 12 and 1. I don't know, but that is dinners for lunch and dinner for the next few days. So, or dinner today, either lunch or dinner tomorrow. But I do have 3 pieces of salmon. I don't know how I'm going to make that yet. So, and the rice that I've made a couple of days ago. So it works for me. All right, so here is dinner. So it turned out really, really good. So I did take a bite of the chicken already, so it turned out really, really good.
I'm gonna put the Mohawk Warriors on.
Really?
Look! Put the camera on.
Uh-huh.
Here, me. Ah!
That's a lot of birds over there.
Here he comes! Wow! He did it! He eliminated them both! Wait, Raiden are still alive! He missed!
Wyatt, look up in the sky.
What?
Look up over there. See all the birds?
Where?
I don't know what's going on, but I have not seen that many birds.
What the Sigma? That's a
you doing? I know it's windy.
Maybe you're just flying around like crazy. Ah! 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 Oh,
Are they done?
there's
Yeah.
two flowers.
A couple over there, some over there. I don't know, something's going on with the birds.
What the sigma? There's birds everywhere. Oh, I know the baby birds. I see baby birds.
There.
Well, that might be a flying sock. Nope, it's the bird.
Pretty sunset tonight. This morning I woke up with TikTok banned. And I thought it was going to be the end of it, but it's not. It came back on. I'm not sure when exactly it came back on, but so it's just one of those apps where I do get some useful information like this video that I'm watching now. Get some giggles with some of the creators that are on there. But if it does officially get banned in however long, I'm going to try to go live and upload more on TikTok. So I don't know. I don't know what to post on there, but then again, I don't know what to post on YouTube either, so I don't know. But anyways, I really hope it doesn't go away because I do like it, and not everybody uploads to like Instagram or YouTube or Facebook and stuff like that. It's just been weird. A lot of similar videos today about the ban and stuff like that, so I don't know. I'm just glad it's back. Like the YouTube shorts and the reels on Instagram and Facebook are just not the same. So, I tried to hang as long as possible last night on a live on TikTok before I couldn't anymore and I had to go to bed. But anyways, I don't know what time it officially went down. I don't know what time it officially came back on. So, I don't know. But I am going to enjoy it while I still have it. So, but anyways, I am going to go. I'm going to go put the kids to bed. Edit my video while I put the kids to bed. And then call it a night myself. So I will see y'all in the next video. So peace.